आता गेला, सकाळी जात नव्हतं.
अरे त्याने चुकीचं अकाउंट चॉईस केलं.
हा प्रायव्हेट
विकासने केलं ना.
हा
मग तो अकाउंट चॉईस तो कसं माहित आहे ना. युटी तर हे केलं नसेल चॉईस. कळलं का तुला? तिथे 2-3 अकाउंट आली ना. त्यातलं एक अकाउंट चॉईस केलं तर ते तर कसं जाणार ते बघत नाही काय नाही. ते पोहईकर पुछले पूर्ण
Sir, your mic is muted.
More than 20 minutes are passed. You are telling me right now only. Yeah, lecture
I
attend.
thought it was my problem, sir.
You are always the problem. You should come here. Take it, dear. Look here. This is the practice map. It is already marked here. Take a pencil. If you are unable to write it here, don't make a very shabby map. Number डाल दो 1, 2, 3 और इधर ग्रिड बनाओ. वैसे भी कर सकते हैं. Come on. एक इसका था. Narmada to down up till Gulf of Mannar. No talking. Carefully mark. Your valuable 10 marks are going to be coming inside the pocket. Wait. I told you last week only. अभी तक पेंसिल ही डिसाइड नहीं हुआ सब मार्क करेगा कल. पेंसिल कर सकते. No, only pencil. I told you well in advance it should be pencil. No. Starting from. If anybody is talking in between the map, I'm coming them to help them. How not to talk? ये तुझे अच्छा लगता है. वो मांगेगा तू तेरे लिए काम करता. मांगने दे उसको. उसी राइडर. Every time ये नहीं है वो नहीं है ये नहीं लाया वो नहीं लाया. देखो, even this is enough. You have to write R. That is river man. Mark करो. R dot has to be there. Important है. I'll be taking 3 phases the one map. The first phase we have completed. And don't be hasty. Slowly mark karo, but rightly mark karna. Yes. No, nothing. And don't be very क्या बोलता है skeptic कि मैं line ऐसा reverse है. But little bit source and end कहाँ हो रहा है वो थोड़ा देखते. आप नर्मदा को उसने हिमालय के उधर मार करके आया. Are we ready with the second section? The first section is one more. Are we good to go? Yes, man. Oh, I'll correct the whole one. Now, before we go into North Indian rivers, there are some other rivers which generally in the central part of India. Look at. Now the trouble comes when this Mahanadi is coming. Mahanadi is from which state? Mahanadi. State. So. It is called the sorrow of dash. Exam आया था. Yes. Sorrow of Odisha. उधर है Odisha. So that is Kosi. Now then, when we are moving away from Mahanadi, look here. Be very careful. This Damodar and this river. Where? This is river Yamuna. Are you seeing? Yamuna comes and joins Bay of Bengal. Damodar is also a part of that, but it has two small tributaries. Then we have this Kosi, Gandak, Gagra, and again this Gomti, Ganga, and Yamuna. So what I'll do, you start marking from left to right. First is Yamuna, the longest tributary. Next is Ganga. Next is Gagra, Gandak, and Kosi. वहां से मार्क करते हो आप. चलो. Yamuna is first, not Ganga. Volume. This class. जाओ मैंने मनीष को बोला है एक वॉल्यूम मेरे लिए. ये क्यों दे रहा है? ये रख. Hey my dear, go quickly. Don't waste the time. That is your trouble. I am nice to many students. That is why they are nice to me. जाओ जल्दी. Anyway, ये लिखे हुआ. इधर आओ एक secret idea. अरे volume number 2. Who is without the volume here? What are you doing there? ठीक है चले देखो. That is the dedication. Come on, start with Yamuna. इधर भी नहीं है. I made it very clear. Bring the volumes. And theoretical, which chapter I was doing? Completed. The next is what did he say? Ready? Use the lighter pencil and then erase. Shall we complete it? Then we have the Son river. जो actually sun लिखता है public, it is not sun. It is Son in Hindi. And naming जरा अच्छे से करो यार. We have a place of. Okay, did I teach you that alignment? Wait, I'll show you on the board. Hey guys, just 1 minute. Look here. Labeling is one where you lose marks. I mean, I know labeling is done like this, but this is wrong. And how in between nahi likhne ka? Normally maps are left alignment. Okay. अगर इधर एक place है उसको यहाँ से यहाँ कट करके यहाँ no need. Then you go. The arrow mark has to be out, and that the segment has to be in. And try that if this is the place student ने mark किया है, तो मैं इसको count करूँ या इसको count करूँ? Be very sure this is going to lose marks for you, right? तो यहाँ से ऐसा mark करो. Neatly use the scale. Don't be a freehand drawer for your board exam. You lose marks. कर दिया? And then there are two rivers in Rajasthan area. Did you see? Chambal, Betwa, फिर आएगा Son. ऐसा जा. You will never forget. Chambal, Betwa, and Son. Son तो वो मध्य प्रदेश में आ जाता. and Haryanvi type. मुझे नहीं सुनने का ये बोल रहा है वो बोल रहा है अच्छा है बच्चों
पूरे में आप मार्क करते हैं
नहीं रुकना स्टेज बाय स्टेज क्यों लिखते जा रहा हूँ so that you don't forget. ये और फिर डाउटफुल स्टोरी लिखानी है मैं आते ही फिर स्टोरी चाहिए Damodar में confuse होते हैं. Hey, listen, Damodar River belongs to Bengal. Are you seeing? And उसका origin कहाँ से है? वो tributary से होते हुए it is going down to Arabian Sea. Sorry, Bay of Bengal. Wait, I'll show you through like this. Give me one pencil or pen. Look here. Where is Damodar starting? It is a part of this tributaries only. Are you seeing? ये उसका confluence है. Son, Gagra, and then इधर आने के बाद उसका नाम दामोदर है and is running through Bengal and running through Bangladesh and coming out. And I forgot the main river which starts from Mansarovar. इधर है हमारा. And in China it is Sangpo. और ये place का नाम इधर लिखो दिहांग. जो अरुणाचल प्रदेश में एक छोटा जगह है वहां से वो एंटर करता है दिहांग. DIHANG. प्रैक्टिस मैप में नहीं लिखने का ओरिजिनल मैप में लिखो ओरिजिनल मैप में लिखो दिहांग. And जब इंडिया में आता है it causes floods, heavy floods to Assam. DIHANG. दिहांग लिखो इधर है ना DIHANG. And pronunciation and spelling not matching it. वो तो सैंगपो है. नहीं अरुणाचल प्रदेश people are Indians. ये खुद ही चिली चिकन. Hey guys, this Sangpo River is a major point of dispute between India and China. China बार-बार हमको बोलता है कि you are enjoying our waters. Geographical teacher very clearly tell them कि जब तक Sangpo है ना, it has very less water. But when it comes into India, that is during rainfall. My very close friend lives in Guwahati, that is Assam capital. He says if I stand in one edge of the bank of the river, you cannot see the other bank. And this is the most ferocious river in rainy season. And in fact, ये लोग पिकनिक मनाने जाते हैं ड्राई सीजन में. वो ब्रह्मपुत्र का बीचों बीच बोलता है ड्राई पैच है. अच्छा तंबू में लगा के लोग रात भर उधर एंजॉय करते हैं. But rainfall season, you forget. Assam will have the maximum. I tried twice going to Assam during rainy season, and he said, "नहीं, Brahmaputra जाने के बाद you will feel flooding is there all throughout." And I intend to go to Meghalaya, especially that Mausinram and Cherrapunji, one of the best places you should visit. So remember which river? Brahmaputra. Okay, and even the latest what is that missile? Got the name from here. MOS stands for Moscow. So two countries together make that missile. And I think वो सिर्फ पाकिस्तान के लिए बनाया गया है. Gift में रख लिया. Guys, finished it? Anybody have a query? Now you close that map, everyone. Let me check you what all the things you marked. Without coming near you, I can check. Close it. And जिसको पूछेगा वही आंसर दे. और जो आंसर नहीं देगा उसको मैं इधर स्पेशल टास्क दूंगा. Confirm? पढ़ लो फिर देख लो. They are very blindly closing it. आज ये आई अच्छा she is also. What happened last week? Traveling way. Huh? It'll count it. And this map is of highest importance. I touch this map first. And I will not ask directly, huh? I'll ask all questions in that. Maps, where your marks, which is that one? How that? Close up map, huh? अरे एक काम करता हूँ मैं इंडिया मैप ड्रॉ कर देता हूँ. You will come and draw the river.
Yes. सर आप फ्लो वाला बनाओगे या फिर हमको बनाएंगे?
मैं सिर्फ आउटलाइन बनाऊंगा. फ्लो आप बनाओगे ना? I क्यों बनाऊं? आपको फ्लो में जाना है. हमारा तो फ्लो खत्म हो गया लाइफ.
ये क्या भाई? कहाँ से आता है?
At least you can come and just plot it on the map and go. मैं फ्लो बना. ठीक है? कहाँ है वो रिवर वो बता देगा. चलो. I'll call him only. Last boy, come quickly. Don't leave. Others be ready. Show me the two west flowing rivers of India. West. West flowing rivers of India. West. अरे वो मैप है ये नहीं बचा. West. Very good. I am writing river Narmada and river Tapti. Why it is west flowing? Anybody knows? It is joining Arabian Sea, and all rivers joins what? Okay. Now, girl, what's her name? This girl, what's her name? Come. Show me the India's longest river. It's long. क्या है रिवर का नाम? इधर. तो मार्क करो. अच्छा, mark the tributary of river Ganga. The longest tributary. Oi, what's her name? The tiny dot behind. Come. The most difficult question, huh? Tibetan Indian river. What? Tibetan Indian. One river flowing from Tibet coming into India. उधर है. तो उस chair में चल जाओ. At least tell what is it. She has to be punished. Come. Maps वो भी नहीं है. Come, you guys. Come. The river which creates havoc to Mahanadi. Sorry, Odisha. The river which cause havoc to Bihar. करो. The river का नाम से आप yeah, you come. He is going to mark me both. The river which comes from Brahmaputra. And mark the Odisha, the river, which is causing trouble to Odisha. Right. इतना ही तो मार्क करना है. Look here. ये ऐसा है रे. ये कैसा आता है? मानसरोवर से आते हुए ऐसा. This is called Sanpo. Okay. And the place where it is entering is AP. And the name of that region is Dihan. और अगर मैं बांग्लादेश से दिखाऊं, the same river becomes what is it? Jamuna. It becomes Jamuna. और इंडिया में घुसता इसका नाम है ब्रह्मपुत्र. चलो, I give you one more. Oh, my dear. Longest river of South India. It is up to your height. Even mark it. Others, seriously. Eh? उसको जरा हेल्प करो. देख लो. And nobody tells the name. It becomes a puzzle. Now the last person ready. Daughter. अरे 2 दिन मत लगाओ. There are so many. How speaking to us? The next place, you. I will make you. तो नीचे डाल के दबा सकते बोल. एग्जाम में क्या करेगा my dear? Oh, even I do. Yeah, yeah. Come, that's good. Come quickly. Jaldi, practice karo. Hey, this might be one last 5 minutes up, and I'll start the next map. Don't want to waste the time. Mark Gagra Gandak Kosi. कहाँ से गंगा तो किसी ने मार के नहीं कहता भाई. करेक्ट ठीक है. She is going to mark. That is Ganga. The other point is Yamuna. Gagra Gandak Kosi. So नाम लोग boys को देते हैं. इधर आ जाओ. Hey boy, come. We have many pillars now of the UT class. ये सबसे ज़्यादा लंबा पिलर है, तो इसको दबाता है. हाँ, marker. All three. Gagra, Gandak and Kosi. तो कोने में चले जाओ. टीवी के अंदर मुद्दा क्या है? Try. What is नहीं पता? And this girl, what's her name? You can. Don't laugh. You have not marked the answer. I know. You mark the same. Gagra, Gandak and Kosi. अरे अभी तक तो पूरा इंडिया मार्क करना चाहिए. मार्क कीप मार्किंग. अरे रिवर एग्जैक्टली उसका सोर्स याद कर लो बस. बाकी फ्लो तो लेफ्ट राइट होता है. And start naming them. The first one is that is Ganga. Ji लिख दो. I'll write. Okay. Kosi. रिवर ही नहीं दिख रहा. ठीक है. आप जाइए. This person, you come up. Mark India and Sri Lanka separated by what? तो इंडिया का ही बात है वो. Wait. I remember the question, my dear. What did I ask you? India and Sri Lanka are separated by what? ये तो इंडिया का ही बात है. उसका राइट में भी कुछ था ना. Go that side. Come, who else? You. अच्छा, you come. श्रीलंका के बाजू में एक जगह था. उसका ही नाम पूछ रहा हूँ मैं. They ask it and they are filling the blanks also. Park straight. And you be straight. If not, I'll make you straight. Correct. Thank you. अभी कौन है? You come. Rather, come on. All are busy playing football. You mark me all the South Indian rivers. रुकना करेगा ना. ये तुंगभद्रा. कावेरी, कृष्णा, भीमा भी है. उसी के बाद में भीमा भी है. Kavari is not exactly something. ऐसे ही खड़े रहो. ऐसे खड़े रहो. आप शेप piece of. Tell me the name of the rivers. Come this side. Tell me the names of the rivers. South Indian rivers. Kaveri.
River Tungabhadra.
Very good.
River Krishna.
Okay.
And
Hey, most important river Godavari.
Godavari.
हमारा महाराष्ट्र का gift है.
and the river now.
You come. You mark Godavari and come and sit. Second chance में फिर उधर ही रुके. Oh, she is walking. आजा. हाँ गोदावरी मार्क करो There is Godavari. You are marking everywhere. Hey, चुप चुप है. किसको बोले? हाँ, वो. Wait. अरे वहां से नहीं हो. उसका एंड पॉइंट से पकड़ेगा तो अपने रास्ते में आता है ना? ठीक है. सेकंड सेंस है. कहाँ है? ढूंढो. दिख तो रहा है मुझे यहाँ से गोदावरी. You come that side. You boy go. Mark Godavari. Right. You come in. Good boy. अभी आप लिखो गोदावरी. ठीक है गोदावरी लिखे. ये mark river interside 5 is Mark river Indus. I like this. देख ले मैप देख. Hey, river Indus I'll explain because now that is the two tributaries of the stop. Jhelum and Chenab. And बीच में open करके water bomb करके ये होता है. But now it's stopped. क्या हाथ में दे देना. ले ले. और ठीक से मार्क करवाना दोबारा you go to the corner. इधर. Yeah. That's right. That's right. हाँ. ये order पहले यहाँ से start करते. And ये 5 बना. Hey guys, let him write. I'll explain how not to forget all the tributaries. Hey, nobody talking. Let him mark. I'm going to explain river industry. Beautifully. Go ahead, first bench.
तो ये बीच में आ गया. बीच में आ गया.
Where is the duster? Hey, where is the duster? Jaldi kar, I have to explain. Hey, you look at the river Indus and 5 tributaries always start from left to right or right to left. Left to right. And there are 5 lines which are coming in. Actually, source like India hai. And 90% it flows in Pakistan. And it is a great Mrs. Indira Gandhi who made the Indus Water Treaty Agreement. You know what was the agreement? 80% Pakistan will use it. Mera story 20% Pakistan will use 20% India will use it. After his death, then the agreement continued. After 71 war, they revoked this. तो ये वो था गांधी परिवार का गिफ्ट है इंडिया में. सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट तो मुझे राहुल लगता है. And he is LOP. You know what is LOP? Leader of opposition. उसको खुद नहीं मालूम है opposition leader कैसा काम कर रहे हैं. It is all. हाँ, जा बैठ. Thank you. एक अरे हाँ CV लिखा है. जा. Now catch the map. Look here. If you remember these two, अगर आपने one draw किया भी चलेगा. Look at the first one. Topmost line is Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bias, and Satluj. Satluj is the last line. Are you understanding? I'll ask you to practice all the rivers without seeing in one of the map. ये map में practice करना अभी बोलूँगा. तो चलो practice करो जल्दी. Indus वो पूरा मार्क करो. Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bias, and Satluj. Satluj सबसे ऊपर है. Sorry, सबसे नीचे है. I've gone from down to up. Start with river Indus. Marker. Okay, confident? Jaldi kar. Go to start in the next map. और next map right hand side में आपको practice करना without seeing it. एक बार start किया तो start किया. Okay. If you have started practicing in that page number 97, you are not turning back. Taking marker. I'll give an idea. Listen, everyone. What I used to do during my school days, I'll start from the easiest one. ये कौन सा है? और ये Tungabhadra. What is this? And easy. I mean, this is Odisha, Mahanadi. Then I'll start from here. It is Yamuna, Ganga, and Gagra, Gandak, and Kosi. And then if you want, you can come back again here. So this is river Indus. And next, Jhelum, Chenab, Bias, Ravi, and Satluj. Easy, eh? Hello, majority to मैंने बता दिया. And try to write on your own. Don't copy from left and right. And use a lighter shade sharp pencil in the board exam. ये 15 मिनट ब्रेक में ऐसा पागलों की तरह इधर उधर भाग के आता है. हाँ? मैंने किधर रोका? After 2:15 you are free only, right? घर में जाके खेती बाड़ी है क्या? खाना क्या दिन भर खाता रहता है? Evening
ice cream, sir.
इवनिंग में रात को क्या करता है? नाइट ड्यूटी वॉचमैन का अभी भी सोता है.
पहले पास के सोता है.
अच्छा, फिर वो ऑनलाइन वाले भी बहुत लोग मिलेंगे. ऑनलाइन में ना बहुत हमारा परम कर्तव्य है. समझ नाइन सुख भी होता है. फिर Anybody ready with the practice map? I'm coming around to check the practice map, not that one. ये नहीं check करूँगा. What is the next page वाला? ये. Here. Page number 97. I'm coming to check. Anybody complete it? Yeah. 97 map. Keep it ready.
97.
हाँ तो उधर है. क्या उसमें भी क्या कंसेशन चाहिए? सब ये उसमें भी मार्क है पूरा. Only you have to write the names. नहीं है.
गलत बात है.
गलत बात. हाँ I know that. बहुत एग्जाम में आप अपना सिर्फ नाम रोल नंबर भर के आ जाओ. बाकी हम करें. बनाओ. देखो, there are two things that you have to remember: identify and mark. अगर आपका हेडिंग आइडेंटिफाई आया तो सिर्फ नाम लिखना है. मार्क मतलब तो यू आर टेंशन. And once you are going to page number 97, you should not come to page number 95. Loyal and ईमानदारी से करो. वो क्या बोल रहे हैं? Sure. Actually, ये CAU है. इंग्लिश वाले में ऐसे एक्चुअली कावेरी का ओरिजिनल कुछ लोगों ने बोला केरला से होता है. देखो, one person is completed marking all equivalently. तो मार्क where is part state when alpha and ये गंगा यमुना गागरा तो सब चाहिए मुझे. Is giving me an install. और ये अंदर आने के बाद इसको ब्रह्मपुत्र है। Sanko if you are marking inside India, make it as Brahmaputra because Sanko नहीं है. We are going to study Brahmaputra. आज करना ही
नहीं करता तेरे जैसा नहीं करते
तेरा काम In fact, I can Narmada and Tapti are the two easiest river to mark. इधर उसी का फाइटिंग चल We are taking a lot of time for only one map. I have more than 3 or 2.
Let me always show you.
Map only basis on don't go and play in that. Aspiration is so bad here. Some rules play. So give me a little anybody else. One map I'll thoroughly check. If he has written all correct. Yeah. Give me here. ये दो जने मिलके किया है. वॉल्यूम किसका है? आपका है. Where is your volume? Why not? Main time पे आप नहीं लगता. What are you doing? Go to the next. Yeah. Manara and the board are straight. Where is Manara? Stop. Hey guys, the next map, which is more important. Wait, he didn't bring me the volume. This guy's going to look at the next map, but what we have to practice. ये monsoon का मैं अलग से सिखाता हूँ. Go to that one. Physical features वाला. It's on page number 90. Look here. There, when I was teaching in Kopakene, they were asking me this passes. Anybody know what is a passes? Adjoining space between two mountain range. इतना छोटा नहीं रहता, बड़ा ही है. So look at that one pass they've given, Karakoram. Then we have Shipkila, Natula. Are you seeing? So when you are marking Himalaya, hey guys, drop the pen, pencil. Listen here. This is the second map you need to practice. This is my first range. Second range, which is going up till Kanchenjunga, that. And this is my third range. So what is the first range of mountain Himalayas called? Himalayas. The Himadri. Second one. Himachal. And the third, this is Shivalik. अभी बोर्ड एग्जाम में इतने आया. Mark 3 ranges of Himalayas. Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. ये है. And Mount Everest लोग ने दिखाया है, नहीं दिखाया है. And look at that Karakoram. That is also a pass. So you start. Then we have Narmada and Tapti के बीच में दो range है. Vindhyas and Satpuras. And then we have Aravali. What is the main work of an Aravali? It doesn't allow the desert of Rajasthan coming interior to India. I'll ask you that. A protector for the desert encroaching inside. And then we have South India, Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats. Then we have Nilgiris, which is normally in Tamil Nadu. And then we have this very important three hills responsible for highest region. Which place it is? Which place? Wrong. Mausindra. Look at that hills. It is Khasi, Garo, and Jainta. Jainta or Jainita. Is it clear? वो बहुत छोटा सा है. Come on, start marking this map. It's on page number 90 and 91. It is Jaintia or Jainta also. Jaintia. Local area. Along with the passes are market. This is 8848. So it will what is market?
क्या करना
Mark करो all the hills along the passes 90 and 91. 90 and 91. Number भी भूल गए क्या? Carefully mark it. If you remember Narmada and Tapti, उसी का बीच में आता है Vindhyas and Satpuras. Hill ranges there. It is page number 90 and practice map was on page number 91. Physical features. Anybody shouts? All the mountain peaks, all the ranges, including the passes. जहां नहीं है तो you have to draw. ऐसा मार्किंग कैसे में लेता है? Erase it and write it neatly. Labeling has to be correct, huh? Why your bag is full? You put back. Bag के लिए इतना बड़ा respect. Who does? And keep it up. Look at the amount of money they have got. Those who are responsible. Start doing it, start doing it.
सर ये पास क्या है?
Pass is just, मैं देता हूँ notebook में देता हूँ, answer भी आता है. Yeah, I'll give the certain theory answers based on math. Define a pass. What is it? While drawing the map, marking the map, don't talk. That is the best thing.
अरे सर तेरा
तो ऐसा बोले कि आपकी कुछ करने वाला पास नहीं ना. Then just wait. Let me check like the last time around with it. Then go for the next one. Those are quick and good. They don't wait for me. I'll pick it. What? Next important map that examiners are very worried. Go to soil distribution, boy. Soil distribution. Because soil chapter में बहुत छोटा है. Little bit ना 10 marks chapter ना soil. 104, 107. Those who have completed directly go for soils. ऐसा कोई exact नहीं है. Directly go to soils of India. How would I remember soil? Map नहीं लाया है. Okay, 107. Hey guys, this boundaries of the soils. Show me that maps. Okay. When you're drawing this, I advise you not to get inside the map first. ये grid बनाओ. And do not use the same symbols. जो आपको easy लगे ना, देखो during our school days how we used to do कामचोरी. जो सबसे ज्यादा space है ना उसको मैं empty छोड़ देता हूँ. जो ज्यादा क्यों उस बैठ के इधर डॉट लगाएंगे कलर लगाएंगे that is all waste of time. Hardly 3 minutes देता था मैं मैप बनाने के लिए और हमको तभी 10 marks का नहीं था ICSE. It was hardly I remember 4 marks का मैप आता था. And उसके लिए मेरा मैम इतना हमको 15-20 मैप सॉल्व करवा. But I am very smartly 10 मिनट पहले मैप को ऐसे ऐसे देखने का आप जाके बैठ. And look at the scheme. उल्टा ये wrong है. ये जो सबसे कम है ना उसने उन्होंने डाला है black soil है. और सबसे कम वाला आप कोई भी symbol ले. Not necessary you follow the same symbol. Correct? पहला keys बनाओ. Try to see that same keys are there and then you start marking. You'll never go wrong. And border थोड़ा इधर उधर रहेगा तो चलेगा. With same getting with soil. Keep it going.
कौन सा पेज है? कौन सा पेज है?
Marathi numbers. In between my lecture. अरे English बंद है. What is his name? मैं जब तक उधर था तुझे डाउट नहीं
बुलाया आपने ऐसे
ऐसे ऐसे क्या फिर पीछे से क्या
ऐसे से क्या
ये सॉरी ये तो बना ये चाहिए ना पूरा alluvial soil be a little bit very sharp. It goes up till Assam. Arunachal Pradesh Assam तक जाता है. Careful marker. देखो I'll give the best idea. एक मिनट. ये जो soil है और ये जो soil है same है. But in between ये बना दो. Which is the soil? Black soil के लिए बना दो. बचा हुआ जो है वो कौन सा soil है? Red soil. अगर black के लिए हमने बना दिया ना बचा हुआ red soil. पर उस ऊपर का border is goes to alluvial soil. अभी इसका मैं places का नाम पूछता हूँ. Let me see how good are you maps. नहीं भाई alluvial soil is one module. Sorry, soil is one module. 10 marks का. ये दूसरा chapter है alluvial soil. Then water resource is one chapter.
soil आएगा तो special
10 marks है ना. But ऐसा ऐसा फालतू क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं हम लोग जो आपके बुक्स में ही नहीं. हिस्ट्री के लिए ये मैप कैसे हो?
अगर वो मॉड्यूल
मॉडल सर ठीक नहीं हो
हिस्ट्री के लिए नहीं है भाई.
हिस्ट्री में मिक्स आता है.
हाँ, ये हमें मालूम है. हाँ, ये पिछले 4 साल से बोर्ड एग्जाम बता. हाँ, हिस्ट्री में मिक्स आता है. कैसे कैसे आता है मिक्स?
एक मतलब लास्ट ईयर तो एक मॉड्यूल एक क्वेश्चन है. एक जैनिज्म का क्वेश्चन आया.
Jainism मतलब ninth का.
9th की बात है.
Why do you tell to me? You ask your history teacher, no, she will tell you. Hey, the paper pattern for geography and history is different. Don't go and say कि history में भी module. No, you have to study everything. मैं बताता हूँ. Climate कर लो, soil कर लो, agriculture नहीं चाहिए तो छोड़ दो. Then go to the last one, base management. फिर soil. हाँ, मैं आपको मैं देता हूँ paper pattern सब दूँगा. Relax. For 12th we do this. First day only I tell everything. का portion बहुत है 12th. चल बसो.
Sir, थोड़ा science.
I understand. Knowledge of तुम्हारे पास और ऐसे कान से फ्लोर है ना मुझे तो स्टॉपर रख के बंद कर. Anybody completed soil? Rian, are you doing some maps?
Yes, sir.
You have the volume with you?
Yes, sir.
Queries please ask.
Okay, sir.
आज मैं तेरे से हाई हेलो किया ही नहीं. So how is Taluja rainfall? इधर Taluja ना? मैं अभी मैंने बोल दिया तो बोल दिया उधर ही चले जाना. जबरदस्ती Taluja. बहुत हो गया. क्या मैप चल रहा है? इधर come to the corner. Put the bag in between. Bag in between. How 3 girls peacefully doing it, 2 boys. What? मुझे नहीं सुनने का वो क्या बोल रहा है. मैं क्या बोल रहा था ये?
कहाँ भी है उसका बात?
मुझे क्या बोल रहा है?
वही सुनाई दे रहा है.
सब वहाँ बैठ के यहाँ पे. What are you hearing? What is this? Look forward. हर बैच में ऐसे 2-3 शर्ट फुट रहते हैं. उधर का CBC. ये बना चीज बना. मेरा बेस्ट ऑफ द मैथ्स. अभी भी सब इतना बड़ा डॉट लगाने का कौन बोला है? टेक्निक छोड़ देगा. कुछ डिफिकल्टी होता है. ना ये है ना जो ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है मार्क करके छोड़ दो. I will not give marks for always. If you do it like this, Harakari things in the map exam. देखो
सर वो बुला रहे हैं, कुछ तो बन गया, कुछ तो मैं क्या करूं?
सर आपने
मैं सुना था. I mean, instigating that medulla oblongata somewhere here. Soils also done. Let me see how many mistakes they have. Without keys, how would I know which one are left? When you're drawing soils map, I need the grid or the keys. That is very important. Without that, I won't be able to check. Grid bana udhar, keys bana jaldi. Say listen, in making of the keys also, give me a scale. Anybody having a big small scale? In exam also don't waste. Hey, just for 1 minute everyone. Okay. All time saving steps we used to do in our school life. Okay. It takes 15 minutes to draw the grid. And neatly draw it. And I used to measure some centimeters. Huh? Here I'm not measuring to show you. If you do it very carefully like this, take the eraser and try to erase this part. Are you seeing? It will be in one line and it will be of equal length. ऐसे ही बनाओ grid अभी भी. Don't make some rectangular boxes. एक box बड़ा, एक box छोटा. This will give you perfect. 6 है ना? 5 soil है. 4 soil दिखा है. हाँ, wait. It is in Jharkhand area. Thank you. Guys, before marking that map, just look here. Now the deserts and what is that? Indo-Gangetic plains are there. Now look here. When we start marking the coastal region, on Western Ghats, how many coasts are written? 3. With the state, you have to correlate. Maharashtra and Goa becomes which coast? Correct. And then we have this Kannad, that is Karnataka. What they have written as the coast? Kannada, it is Kannad coast also. I write like this, Kannad. And confusion, 90% of the time students does this. What is that confusion? Wherever it is Kerala, always remember Keralites are called as Malabaris. So it is Malabar coast. Everyone look here, बाद में करो. And this part of Tamil Nadu, this is Coromandel. है ना? अगर एक बार आप केरला को अगर मार्क कर दिया Malabaris और Malabar, this becomes easy. And what is this part? Northern Sarkar दिया है. Actually, Northern Sarkar Odisha के उधर है. And that is the source point of our this mountain. Which mountain? Eastern Ghats. Correct? Sorry. And normally it is asked why Western Ghats is continuous and why Eastern Ghats is not broken, dissected. क्या reason है? short and swift rivers of South India cuts the Eastern Ghats into different parts. Correct. And then nobody asked me that particular one passes. वो भी मुझे देना है और इसका भी देना है. पहले ये mark कर लूँ. I'll give some theory part as well. Riyan, mark the 91 and 92 wala.
Okay, sir.
Ah, good for everything saying okay and everything. I better take a seat there only. Every 2 minutes he needs to. Hey, ऐसा मार्क्स अच्छी है. But take time to mark. ऐसा जल्दी mark मत करो. That only creates a trouble. She is doing it the textbook. This girl, you don't have the textbook. So. Yeah. हाँ देखो textbook में है ना वो तो करो ऐसे. अब करो ना. Easy from the book. Look at it. You play football. Yeah, sure. Everything needs to be. तो स्टूडेंट्स से हम लोग ये एक दो जन आता था मैं अंदर था और टीचर्स लोग बहुत कम आते थे.
Guides नहीं थे.
और यहाँ से पाम जाते रहता है. Not a single this like street light. This deadly appearance. ऐसा लगता था कि खट्टा सिटी में सब. अच्छा कभी मुझे पुलिस ने कभी दो बार बोला. We used to clean that garden before it was summer as it was. That नहीं both that and during this online अभी मैं अगर रात में तो I think 7:30 was looking at the laptop. I got this gift specs. I don't know the specs that we need done. And comedy क्या हुआ? COVID better हुआ. I bought it from mobile. I said, "वो दिन मैंने कुछ तो पता है." वो बंदे पूरा साल नहीं कर नया है. जब मालूम कुछ कर पड़े थे तो देखिए कुछ तो बोलते हैं सर आपने अपना आईज को चेक किया है. क्यों? अब याद आया ये स्क्रीन देख के लेक्चर से लेवल था. वो भाई को पहले what is the मेरे तो प्लस पॉइंट मेरे को 3D
बस ए ना मतलब आपको ए ही लिखना मतलब ए ही लिखते हो.
मैं तो ग्रुप में बोल सकता हूँ.
There is. Okay. There's what with it.
What is speculation?
Yes.
Guys, I finished. Can I write certain theory part of the map? How many maps he has made here? वो ब्रांच में करती हो भी सिम वेरी मच फटाफट मैप करके right first what is that first question I told you? Mountain passes right up. Define a mountain pass. ये आता है थ्योरी में.
ये लास्ट
Sorry. Define write it in the notebook. Don't write it in the maps. Define a mountain pass. Adjoining space between adjoining space between तीन बार तो बोल दिया. आगे और एक बार बोलूं. पास between any two mountain ranges, adjoining space between any two mountain ranges. Example though, Shipkila, Shipkla, Shipkila. Bombdilla, डरावना नाम सर, Bombdilla, Bomdilla, Bombdilla, Nathula, वो तो है मैथ में, हाँ? Shipkila, Bombdilla, Nathula, आसस का नाम है, हाँ? Then Karakoram, Karakoram नहीं, Khyber, ah. And then write the next question. Write the next question. You get into his group that he will, and you are going to his point by. Write on the next question. What was the next question I told you? Or एक था हाँ? हाँ? हाँ. Give reasons why Eastern Ghats are broken and non-broken liquor or dissected. Give reasons why Eastern Ghats are broken or dissected. Point number 1. Rivers found in this zone. Rivers found in the zone. Put a dash. Short and swift. Short and swift. Swift means very fast. Second point. Eastern Ghat Mountains. Eastern Ghat mountain ranges constitute. किससे बना हुआ है? Unconsolidated sedimentary rocks. Next. Rocks. Next. Rivers carry a lot of deposits. Next. Along with rivers, strong winds. Along with rivers, strong winds have easily dissected Eastern Ghats. Along with rivers, what did I say? The deposits easily dissected the Eastern Ghats. If there is objective question though, you will solve it looking into the map. But map में answer नहीं है. फिर कहाँ से आएगा answer? Theory knowledge use करना पड़ेगा. Write down. Name the number 1 most fertile soil of India. Don't tell the answer. Nobody tells the answer. Name the most fertile soil of India. Nobody will tell. You have to write then and there only. Next. Fertile soil of India. Next. A soil with high moisture retaining capacity. A soil with, nobody will tell the answer. If you know, silently wait, I'll give you time. High moisture retaining capacity. High moisture retaining capacity. Soil popularly formed out of leaching. Soil formed out of leaching. Next. Highest peak in Himalayas. You will be shocked at MCQs. Huh? Highest peak in Himalayas. Next. Two only west flowing rivers. The only two west flowing rivers. Next. A river known as sorrow of Odisha. It is Odisha, not Odessa. That is Ukraine. Sorrow of Odisha. Next. Construction of dam. Construction of dam added to the flood problem in Bihar, a river canal Bihar. Construction of dam added to the flood problem in Bihar. But don't go outside, sit inside and solve it. If you want to go washrooms, but even that only allowed. Don't go and the rest you understood. And I'll come back after. 15 minutes sharp.
Yeah.